my name is Shernette and I work in the K-12 public education system in the United States. Actually, my daughter did research prior to our trip and decided on this particular clinic for us to visit. I came to Korea to visit friends and to be on vacation and just experience the culture and to get to know and learn about the people of Korea. This particular trip, we stayed a little bit under 3 weeks. Over the years, my vision, unfortunately, has not been the best. It's gotten worse over time. I'm a lot of blurriness, unable to see close, unable to see far away, unable just to see intermediate. I have a lot of blurriness, so I thought it's best to investigate and to look into getting surgery done. Oh, it's night and day. I can actually see. Everything's very clear, precise. It's just where I feel like I have a new pair of eyes. Absolutely, I would recommend this surgery to others. As I mentioned before, it's night and day, going from having extremely blurry vision, having to wear contacts and glasses and readers to where I don't need any of them at all.